Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make soba noodles. We're in Nagano and at the Shibu Hotel. Let's explore the art of making soba noodles. Let's go.
Are the rarest for for this area. You know, you can't really get them in other parts of Japan. It's they're using fiber to grow the leaf that's in it. So the fiber from the leaf is called oyama bokuchi, and the recipe that we're making today is only available here. And like I said, it's rare in Japan. They're made from buckwheat and a fiber from the plant, like I just said. It's mixed together because the buckwheat itself isn't as when you mix it with water, it doesn't hold very well. So they use the fiber from the plant to then make it stick together. You know, sound good? Good. So we have our senseis here. Good morning. Cool.
I'm Shigeko. My name is Shigeko. My daughter Ikuye. よろしくお願いします。じゃあスタート、OK?
Okay.
はい。
So one table, 4 people. So get yourselves in a team of 4s, and then you'll huddle around a table, okay? Pick someone you don't normally stand with, make a new friend. He's gonna get up. No guys, you're standing up, no chairs. Yeah. So guys, here, this is the fiber that goes into the plant, that goes into the thing itself. So it's the little black thing in your bowls. You can have a look at it, pass it around, just so you can have a little bit of a read up on it.
So we got a chopstick, buckwheat and the flour and water. We're starting with buckwheat and flour and water. We're gonna mix it. The key is right ratio and mixing it until the texture is just right, not too dry, not too wet. We're gonna use the chopstick to do this. It's a very interesting way to knead with a chopstick, but let's see how it goes. The lady is explaining us how to use the buckwheat and to put it in the middle of the flour so they all can blend and mix.
Please mix it. Only some.
Only some.
Step is trickier than it looks. Buckwheat flour is naturally gluten-free, so you have to be careful not to be overwork the dough, as it will just break. The part takes serious muscle, and I'm definitely getting a workout out of this. No, I'm just kidding. I gotta be very gentle, and hopefully I'm not heavy-handed as I'm always.
Oh, yeah, I think so. Okay. Maybe like just the center. Oh, just the center. Well, she said only center, but I was like, I don't know how much of the center, how far I'm supposed to keep going. Maybe just keep straight. I don't know. Oh, she's gonna bring more water. Did they have water for us or just not water? Yeah, they have green tea though. Yeah. Mix all of it or just in the center? Okay. Okay. Hey, yeah, I'll get on that side. Thank you.
Next, cool water.
Yeah, does someone else want to mix? My hand's getting tired.
Oh, thank you.
You just kind of keep working in the center and just adding more and more.
All the same size relatively.
It'll start getting bigger on top.
Yeah.
As you stir it, and let it stay as you stir it, add on. No, it'll get bigger. Everybody,
Everybody what?
together.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Water?
ちょっとだけつけて。はい、終わった。Okay. Oh, yes, yes.
Whereas in other parts, in other parts, they just use the buckwheat.
It just gets real sticky real fast.
I'm so curious what these taste like.
I think it's gonna taste like meat. But I don't think it's gonna be very much of a flavor. Oh.
That's probably why it doesn't leave this area.
More water?
More?
Good.
あれ、どうしたかなちょっとごめん。落ちないのこれ。Oh, no, no, no. ちょっとごめん。Sorry.
I don't know if that was good or bad.
We just
I don't know.
stuffed up, basically.
Still stirring with chopsticks. She's gonna give us more flour to roll this out. Dry flour. Oh, too much water.
ごめんなさい、オーバー。あ、ノー、これはノーだったんだ。
No
あ
water.
ごめん。あ、ノー。
No more water.
でもこれがだからオーバーウォーターになっ
Yeah, too much water.
た。ごめんなさい、ちょっとみんな手出して。おい。ここで、この中でこうやって。おう。おーだ。そっか、これちょっとまずいな。これはちょっと。ごめん、これこうやったらね、こうやってくれる？こうだけど、これ一本ずつきれいに。
Come on, guys. Come on, smile. There we go.
あ、ちょっと。
Yeah.
That's okay. It's
ちょっと待ってね。こう、あなたはこうやってちょっとこれをこう上げるから、これを。No.
Yeah, get all that extra stuff off your
こう
fingers.
いう感じ。あ、yes. それでこう。ちょっと頑張っちゃうかなこ
Mix
れ。
more of this.
お、これもそうだ。こっちもそう。これこうやったらあれだから。
Mix this.
ちょっと美術毛がないとみんなびちょびちょつけたのね。まあいいや、これで、はい、OK、行きましょう。
Okay.
OK、next need。
Yeah, need.
はい、どうぞ。そのままで need に。お、no、これ終わったな。これはもう困った。
Take it away from him.
これだけすることになるから。No だよ。Oh, yes. あ、うまい。Good. もう少しセットしておいた方が。こっちの肉こうやってる？これこう
Really get it off of
こ
there.
こ開いてこうだよ。こう。
How did it get so stuck to you?
まあごめんね、先にこの人 You need
Oh, he wants you to
Oh, he wants you to knead.
Oh, no. こっち。これでこう。このプッシュは No push. Need. Oh, yes. Okay.
Yeah. Need a little more water. Well, we didn't too much water and we got it. That's why she's been over here.
Oh, no, これはno. Oh, yes. もっとタッチングジェントリー。本当にギューじゃなくて。Oh, yes. そのぐらい。そしたらちょっと待って。ちょっと貸して。Thank you. 私にください。そうね。ジェントリー、タッチングジェントリー。だけど、いや、こうね。必ず起こす。だから、ノープッシュ。どうぞ、やってみて。おー、イエス。おー、うまいじゃん。ほら、よく見て。You look.
It's like I make dough every day, right?
Like this all the time. Work just one day a week or go out.
At least once a week I make a dough, so that's why I know.
One more? You need?
You want to try it again?
Oh, Jesus, man.
Slowly.
No.
Too much pressure.
軽くで。ジェントリー。ここでやってよ。ここでこう。ここじゃん。Oh, yes.
Pictures in our outfits.
それだ。
Or before or after, whatever.
ちょっと力入る。Okay. Yes.
I think this is the day we're dressing up in our outfits to go eat.
Oh, tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we all dressing up.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
To get a picture.
No, yeah, so you do it group by group. So you just put your platters on for dinner tonight, basically. Guys, if anyone missed that yesterday, you're going to be wearing your platters for dinner. Obviously, please wear clothes underneath. Free country and all that, but you know, please wear clothes underneath.
Yeah, I'll just dress up when you go to dinner and then I can change.
So you're going 8 o'clock dinner, right?
I'm 6 o'clock, and she switched to the 8 o'clock time.
We just will take pictures. I'll get dressed beforehand.
We'll make it into like a...
And take pictures with her, and then I'll get like change into something else, and then hang out and do nothing. And so it's time for us to eat, or I'll walk around somewhere.
Small.
And look at his. Look at his.
Indoor skydive.
Oh, indoor.
Here.
Just comparing
Cool.
your
What are you
hand
trying?
size. Hand size.
Hand size.
Oh. Big.
Big.
Small.
Yeah.
Struggle was for real, but we finally got there. The dough is done. Now it's the hard part, trying to roll it and make this into noodles. So let's go. Let's dig in. The dough is actually quite a good weight. It looks small, but it was like, I would say like a 2 kilos ish. But it's really a technique, the way you knead it. It's very different. Like we make rotis, and I've done dough before like a couple of times, but you got to be so gentle with how you press it. Obviously using chopsticks to knead it, it's a very different way. So yeah, let's get into the rolling and making this into noodles. The goal here is to roll the dough as evenly as possible. It takes patience and a bit of finesse, but it's so satisfying. The lady was trying to explain us, make sure you take a little of the flour, and she warned me in particular, make sure I don't take too much flour and don't put too much pressure, because I need to spread it out and make it nice and flat, so it's easier to cut the noodles once the dough is nice and flattened evenly.
I'm here to make that like a 5-star experience.
Don't worry, we're going. She's gonna spread it out.
Is that me?
She's just doing the base first.
Yeah, a bit aggressive, you know. It's, Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, or the feedback be like, my tour guide touched me too much. Just that sentence.
Members start center. Every time.
Yeah, which one? You did like really improve.
Go low, go low, go low, go low, go low.
It gets sent
はい、
to
美
someone,
味しく
doesn't it?
なーれ。
No, but there's one and then they look at them all and we all did it appropriate ones.
ジャパニーズで美味しくなーれ。美味しくなーれ。
But whilst I'm on the
オー
phone.
プン。
So but it's anonymous, so you can't think. But the girl, my last one, she was like, got camera with a really big lens. She was like,
Oi,
big lens. She was like, I had a great time. She was like, big lens.
美味し
And I
く
was
な
like,
ー
my boss was like, excuse me. I was like, I don't know how much thought about it.
れ。はい、美味しくなーれ。美味しくなーれ。
No, come on, please.
これが、これぐらいな。
So, oh wow. Okay.
5ぐらい。
Uh-huh.
はい、どうぞ。
I think she did the base so we don't stuff out.
Yeah, she just Laura got me. I like barely touched it. I think I did like one of these. Golo, 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 golo.
Where's the sound?
I don't know. Oh, shikana.
Yeah, you need the sound too. Golo, 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 golo. Now it's golo, golo, right?
And then it's roll it out this way. Alright, you want to do the next one?
It just like stuck to you.
It's just not doing, look at that.
No, it literally, as soon as it dries, it is forever a part of me now.
No, I'm worried about my watch.
I took mine off because I
swear you had one.
I did. I stuck it in my pocket because every time I was rolling, I'm like, literally, I'm digging my wristband into the dough. I'm like, I'm going to do it enough.
I texted her and said,
This and then.
Yeah, and then kind of spread it out.
Yeah.
Like this.
It's more just like a this.
Yeah, you were rushing.
Do you want to say hi?
God.
You gotta bend down a little.
And now that's the truth. I finally get to roll it. It was not too bad. It was really nice experience. I really enjoyed it. And now the final truth, cutting the noodles. The goal is to get them nice and even, but it might be a little rustic. Just keep in your mind on when you're cutting it, you gotta slice through it very gently, because otherwise the noodles don't come the same thickness.
No, no push.
just through.
Your table number 4.
Oh, it's working.
Yeah, noodles.
So you want to get them nice and thin.
Thanks guys, hope you enjoy the Shibu making class. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you in the next vlog.